Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArklateXHomepage.com, as well as the ArklateXHomepage.com app. And you can see, looking at the weather map, we are watching a very strong cold front, which is slowly going to be inching its way towards the Arklatex. Tomorrow should still be well to our north, and as a result, we won't see much change in our weather here through your Tuesday. But this front will slide its way through the area Wednesday, just in time for Halloween, and will bring with it possibility for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Ahead of that front tonight, temperatures staying above normal. In fact, more than 10 degrees above normal as we bottom out at 63 in both Shreveport as well as in Texarkana. 63 for the low in Minden, 64 degrees in Marshall. Daytime highs tomorrow should recover back to the low 80s for the most part. 81 in Texarkana, 82 in Shreveport, 84 for the high temperature tomorrow in Natchitoches. Here's a look at Robin's Sword of Futurecast. You can see the mostly clear sky across the area tonight. Heading through your Tuesday, we'll see a few more clouds mixing in with the sunshine. You can also see by those large red arrows that it'll be rather windy, as we are looking at a south wind at around 15 miles per hour. So a touch on the breezy side for your Tuesday. Tuesday night, clouds continue to increase. Could see a few scattered showers try to develop here and there by morning Wednesday. And then Wednesday afternoon, as the cold front moves in, you can see the showers and thunderstorms on the increase, as that line will be extending from about Hope to Jefferson to Longview. By the time we get to 4 p.m., main threat will be wind, as we'll discuss here in a second. That line will continue to slide its way southward into the southeastern sections of the area Wednesday evening, and then we will see the rain come to an end during the nighttime hours Wednesday night, as the north and northwesterly wind will bring in some cooler air. We will likely begin Thursday with lots of clouds. Likely we'll see those clouds begin to decrease as we head into Thursday afternoon. Now, as far as severe weather threats, a couple of things we'll be watching for. You can see the Storm Prediction Center does indicate southern half of the area, a slight risk. In other words, we'll see a few scatter reports of severe weather. Wind probably going to be the biggest concern. Hail also possible. Can't totally rule out the isolated tornado, especially down towards Center, Manny, and Natchitoches, but it does appear as if the main concern will be wind. You can see, just a reminder, that 1 to 5 scale there as far as severe weather intensity does look like we would be looking at a 2 on that 1 to 5 scale for the areas in yellow. Just more isolated, basically from Clarksville, Mount Pleasant, Texarkana, Hope along the I-30 corridor, where the storms arrive a bit sooner. Now, obviously, we're looking at the potential for some heavy rain as well. You can see Futurecast indicating that from now through Thursday, we're looking at a good solid 1 to 3 inches. A few isolated 4-inch amounts will be possible, especially over the southeastern half of the Arklatex here. So flooding also something we'll be watching for, but the Weather Prediction Center indicates that risk looking rather low. Will be a little bit higher over the northeastern edge of the area. You can see on that marginal, slight, moderate, high scale there, we're basically marginal across most of the Arklatex here as far as the risk for excessive rainfall, which could cause some flash flooding concerns, but again, that risk is looking rather low. Now, from here, we are looking at a cooler end to the work week, as your 7-day forecast shows 82 tomorrow, 76 as the storms move in Wednesday, and then behind that front, we'll see highs mainly in the 60s, lows mainly in the 40s and 50s. We could see another chance for some showers across the region to close the weekend and head into the first part of next week. And Texarkana, your number is a little bit cooler, as you'll see a high tomorrow at 81, 72 Wednesday. You'll stay in the 60s for highs for the rest of the period. Overnight lows in Texarkana, basically behind the front, will be in the 40s, as you too will have that chance for that shower Sunday or perhaps Monday. So all in all, it looks like a pretty good round of thunderstorms on the way for Wednesday afternoon and evening. Will make for some damp trick-or-treating, unfortunately, the way it looks right now. Severe weather is possible, with the risk highest across the southern half of the area.